today I will introduce you again. Maybe my name is Ubaidah. Everybody, you can call me with Bu Ubay, Miss Ubay, because this class will run in deliver in English. You can call me Miss Ubay, ya. Who am I? Who am I?
Miss Ubay.
Miss Ubay.
That's right, Miss Ubay.
Ubay.
My long name is Ubaidah, but you can call me Miss Ubay. As introduction to course, introduction to primary curriculum. Yeah, this course have 6 learning outcomes, as you can see on the slide in here. The first outcomes of this course is at the end of this course, you will be expect to be able to explain curriculum definitions from various sources, because there are so many point of view in defining curriculum, and we expect you can explain what is curriculum, because as a teacher, if you can explain what is curriculum, it's like you can explain where is Jakarta as Indonesian. Yeah, curriculum is like core material for you as teacher. And the second outcomes is to be able to compare several approach of 40%. With exam and final exam, only 30%. I can say it only. It's big enough, yeah. But as you can see, the assignment have highest weight on this assessment weight. Now, let's take a look what kind of assignment do you need in this course. Yeah, there I would ask you to join mymenti.com. Guys, please go to this link. Where is the cursor? Everybody, you can go to this link. I put the link on the chat. When you access that link, you will see your first idea. When you heard the word curriculum, what is your first idea? What do you think? What is curriculum? Yeah. Okay, I see it so many ideas in here. Yeah, we have it's so many various point of view in here. We have those who think about curriculum is education programs, as well as we have the definition in here curriculum as a process, yeah, because you mentioned about learning methods, learning structures, and also the good, ya, yang baik, ya, maksudnya yang baik. Maka kalau kita bilang, kalau ada orang habis belajar, terus dia jadi jahat, jadi bisa melakukan tindakan kriminal, misalnya hacking, cyber hacking, is that education? Education bukan. Udah sekolah tinggi-tinggi, lulus jadi koruptor. Education bukan.
This is not education, Miss.
Not education, Marcella. Why? Why it's not education?
Because education, this is processed by people to understanding for action and Miss pakai bahasa Indonesia
It's
boleh.
okay, pakai bahasa Indonesia nggak apa-apa.
Jadi yang melanggar dari karakter tersebut, Ibu. Terima
Okay,
kasih.
thank you Marcella. Ya, I can conclude that benar ya. Ketika orang udah sekolah tinggi-tinggi terus lulus jadi koruptor, ketika sekolahnya itu pendidikan. Because of what? We can emphasize it in the good term, ya. The good person, the good humankind. Semua pendidikan, nggak ada satupun pendidikan yang ngajarin orang buat jadi koruptor atau jadi hacker atau jadi cybercrime violencer, nggak ada. Semua pendidikan itu pada dasarnya ngajarin orang-orang jadi baik. But somehow ada ketika kita melakukan sesuatu kan hasilnya belum selalu jadi positif ya. Maksudnya ketika pendidikan itu nggak efektif, nggak optimal, ketika pendidikan itu penerapannya tidak sesuai rencana, di rencana ini bisa aja ini akan jadi bagus, tapi jadinya nggak bagus. Banyak variabel yang bisa mempengaruhi. Ya, ketika orang lulus terus nggak jadi bagus tuh banyak variabel. Tapi ketika orang most of our society is not a good person, kita bisa nyalahin pendidikan karena pasti syaratnya ada siswa. Ketika kita melihat kurikulum, kita akan melihat bagaimana siswa berlari di garis lari ya, berlari di lintasan yang sudah dibentuk. Ya, siswa belajar di dalam situasi atau setting yang sudah dibentuk sehingga mencapai finish line, sehingga mencapai tujuan pembelajaran yang diharapkan. Nah, itu gambarannya analogi kurikulum. Nanti kita akan lihat definisi-definisi lain. Nah, ada juga yang mendefinisikan kurikulum. Jadi kurikulum kita bisa simpulkan sebagai serangkaian rencana ya, as a plan learning setting in order to ensure the achievement. Serangkaian rencana yang disusun untuk memastikan pencapaian dari learning goal atau tujuan pembelajaran.